The stylish remote controller adds style and sophistication to any indoor space and is available in 2 attractive colors. The remote controller complements any interior design and is extremely compact, measuring just 85 by 85 millimeters. Three LED colors indicate the current status. The user-friendly interface features minimalistic touch button control and an icon display. The remote controller can be set to operate Strearmer and display a status icon. A Strearmer-equipped unit can be selected according to the indoor environment. Zigbee communication connects 4 kinds of sensors. Sensor results can be displayed in the sensor view of the information screen. The results are used for optimal equipment control. Utilizing the Zigbee sensors helps to ensure optimal indoor air quality and comfort for the entire room. Usability of the new heat reclaim ventilator has been further improved by displaying sensor results and operation status with new icons. In the sensor view of the information screen, up to 3 sensor results can be displayed. 4 types of ventilation-related icons appear in the icon view of the information screen. Many advanced settings are possible by connecting to a smartphone. The Daikin app for installer application allows easy smartphone connection. Settings can be entered and saved in advance via smartphone. Connecting to the remote controller is possible via Bluetooth. Just transmit the saved setting information to the remote controller. This helps reduce on-site work time. Multiple settings can be saved to enable the smooth setting of multiple units. When in manual setting mode, the setting status of connected remote controllers or units can be easily confirmed. Confirmation is possible with just one tap. Rapid setting is possible. Range visualization enables easy understanding. The screen shifts according to the setting content. Daikin technology. Simple, easy, and beautiful.